With YouTube videos, you can make easy $7. For every video, you will be paid a good $7. Amazing, right? Before I tell you about this platform, I want to welcome you to Money Heist, where I show you ways of earning money online. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified for new videos like this in the future. Now let me tell you something. With my method and this platform that I will show you on this video, you can make $7 for every video. Yes, it worked like a charm for me, and it will work like a charm for you too. I mean, isn't it amazing to see your PayPal account credited with $150 in no time? And sometimes we are in dire need of cash. This here makes us around $7 for every YouTube video just by following simple steps that I will mention on this video. All you have to do is watch my video and listen to what I did to make money and, well, make easy money online. My secret to earning quick and easy money online. So this here is available for anyone from anywhere around the globe, since you know YouTube is available anywhere in the world. And all you have to do is go to YouTube, watch various videos for at least 30 seconds and then earn money. It starts with $3 for one video, $30 for 10 videos, and $150 for 50 videos. You will get paid for the amount of time you watch those videos, so keep watching and keep earning. Hey, you can also use your smartphone, tablet, or even your computer. Make sure you already have a YouTube account. If not, you can easily head to YouTube and create a Google account. Add in your name and type in an email address that you prefer to have. Make a good password and then click next. Once you have created your Google account, you can head over to YouTube and you will see popular videos on your main stream. But hey, you will need to search for videos related to gaming. Try searching for the ones in trend, such as Among Us or Resident Evil or anything you find. We can convert the popular trending videos to our advantage and earn money. We will generally look for live streaming videos. Hence, I've asked you to look and watch those videos for at least 30 seconds, because there are tons and tons of people who are live streaming these videos. We will choose the one of those videos and see how many views there are. Sometimes videos have very little views in the start and they gradually have more after a while. The more the views you have, the more it will be successful. Now once you have found this video, just head over to the link I have given below on the description. Don't worry, this is not a scam. I have used this method and I can vouch for the website. They have different payment methods as well, such as PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer, etc. I chose PayPal. Now there's one important thing that you need to know. You need to earn a minimum $5 for them to pay you out. So, right now, you have to register an account here on the platform that I have mentioned under the description. So go ahead and click open the platform. Now remember one thing, I will always advise you to scroll and look at the platform. This is what I do when I do my research. I study the platform. I see what the platform is all about. I see their payments, I see what they do, how much can I earn, etc. After getting registered, you will use YouTube links and shorten those links to make money. We will paste those links onto Quora Reddit, or any gaming forums that we can find online. And let me tell you something, there are so many gaming forums online. I even use my Facebook and paste those links onto different groups just so people can go ahead and watch them. And of course, people do view them. The registration here is completely free and the shortening tool as well. So on your dashboard, just grab the link, paste it, and make sure to give it an alias. I always advise to write an alias because it makes it easier for us to understand what this link is about. You can even add an expiration date. Click shorten and copy the shortened link. Once you've done that, just go ahead and paste it to the forums or anywhere you find you can get your targeted clicks. I've usually generated more clicks on Reddit or the gaming forums that I've registered myself onto. So I know what you're thinking, how on earth do we earn by shortening the links? Well, the way to go about it is that when you paste a shortened link, the user who clicks will first be taken to an advertisement, a landing page. Need not to worry, they don't need to view the ad, nor do they need to buy anything from that ad. They can literally just click on the skip button and simply go over to the YouTube video that you've shared. That click basically generates money. What they do is they pay you a portion of their income they earn through these advertisements, like sharing revenues of the advertisements. So it's sort of a win-win situation for the both you and the platform. So in summary, all you need to do is go onto the link that I have mentioned on the description below and head over to the platform. Once you have signed up using your email address and added your correct details, go ahead and grab a YouTube video link that we have discussed in this video. Shorten that link with this platform. Use that link onto a forum or Quora, Reddit, or even Facebook group wherever you feel you can reach your target market and generate clicks on your link. Now remember, this is available globally, meaning anyone from anywhere can work here. You can also use this on iOS and your Android phones. So if you have a smartphone, go ahead and you can do this as well. Or if you have a tablet, works great. I hope you liked the video. Just make sure to give us a like and also comment below. I want you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of videos such as this in the future. This is it from Money Heist, and I will see you